have kept going then. So you turn around right here at this gate. And the UPS parked right there in that mud.
Although the UPS.
Oh, a canopy road. Look at this. Natasha, a tunnel.
See, these are called canopy roads.
Very pretty.
Bent Canyon Road. Natasha, look at where you took us. Oh my God. And here's empty property they're going to build.
See the roots on these trees?
Beautiful, eh?
These are the ones that drop down and sprout again, right?
I think so, yep.
Yeah, looks like it. We saw those in Maui as well.
And now, in Florida. Oh, here's Sandsprit Park, that
Yes.
little park.
That's what
Ah,
we're going to.
we're going to the little park there. Okay. That.
There's a big white sign. For sale. They're selling them.
We went with Christopher and Lori and the kids to a park, and there were the big trees in that one place.
Must be a left at the junction.
Right, so Sandsprit Park. Left. Anywhere in here.
Anywhere in here. Ta-da! Port Salerno. Look at that. Natasha. See, we go to Port Salerno for the restaurants on the other side.
It says you can keep going straight. But who knows?
Well,
Going straight. Look at it, Natasha. The beautiness of it. Probably a washroom too if you have to use it.
I could use it.
And then you can change in the washroom.
Do that too. Oh my God, the options.
My God. Restrooms right here.
okay. I guess I should have gone around, but we'll just park right here.
Sure.
They're from New York. Natasha, you did a great job. And there are boats going around here. My God.
Oh, it's windy out there.
I could pee though.
All right, let's go change and see.